Hey YouTubers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. Today we are working on a Chevy vehicle, and in the event that your traction control alert is illuminated on your dashboard or instrument cluster, it might be as simple as just pushing one button. Hopefully that's the case. Maybe not, but in this video we're going to show you that one button to push that may fix it. Let's head out to the vehicle and get started. All right, YouTubers, at the vehicle now, and we are working on a Chevy Malibu, and we're going to hop inside the vehicle. And we'll go ahead and close the door, and we will start the engine. And as you can see, there are no check engine lights, ABS lights, traction control lights at all. However, in the event that your traction control is on or illuminated, come down here. It's possible that you accidentally turned your traction control off. By selecting that, look what pops up. Traction control right there. So hopefully what you can do is just hop in the vehicle, turn your traction control back on, and it should disappear. With that said, what I'll do is I'll turn it back off, and there the light illuminates once again, and I'll turn it back on. So hopefully it's a matter of just turning that back on because you accidentally turned it off at some point during driving or getting in and out of the vehicle. That's it, YouTubers. Hopefully that one single button can fix your issue. If it doesn't, head to your local AutoZone, which they will do this for 100% free. They'll hook up an OBD scanner to your onboard computer and read your error codes, thus telling you what part you need to replace. From here, do us a favor. Below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us. That would be awesome. Thanks again for watching.